so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hello, friends. It's me, Blippi. And today we're exploring construction vehicles. Let's see. Can you guess which vehicle this is? Let's go find out. Hey! It's me, Blippi. Wow, and look at where I'm at. Yeah, today I'm at Tenino, Washington at a job site. Yeah, and today you and I get to learn about a machine. Yeah, a really heavy machine. Has a really big blade up front, pushes anything and everything out of its way. Has a lot of power. It's a little slow though. And it starts with the letter B, just like my name. Do you know what machine it is? Okay, let's go find out. Woohoo! Whoa! Check it out. Wow, a piece of construction equipment. And this is a powerful piece of construction equipment. Do you know what machine this is? Yeah, this is a bulldozer. Wow, it is so powerful. Here, come on. Whoa, this is the blade of the bulldozer. Yeah, the blade pushes anything and everything out of its way. And then it goes flat on the ground and then makes the ground nice and flat. Whoa! Whoa! And how it gets all of its power is right here. Yeah, the engine. And this is the engine compartment. Yeah, it produces a lot of power and a lot of smoke out of the exhaust. Whoa, super cool. Hey, do you see these? Huh, this is silly. Yeah, there's no wheels and tires. That's silly, huh? Oh, these are called tracks. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, these metal things go down into the dirt, the gravel, the mud, so then it has really good traction, so then it doesn't slip and slide. All right, I think I should take it for a spin. Woohoo! Whoa, so comfortable. All right, first things first, safety first. Perfect. Now that I'm nice and safe with my seatbelt, we can operate the bulldozer. Yeah, you operate a bulldozer. You do not drive a bulldozer. Okay, see these hand controls? This is how you operate the bulldozer. This one makes you go forward and backward, and this one, yeah, this is what you use to control the blade. All right, here we go. Let's turn on the key. Woohoo! All right. Flip up the safety doodads, and here we go. Whoa! Check it out! Whoa! Woohoo! All right. Whoa! Was fun. That was awesome! Wow, what a powerful machine. Did you see that big blade up front? Yeah, it's so good and powerful. It pushes anything and everything out of its way. Our first vehicle was a bulldozer. They are such an important piece of equipment and help clear the way. Can you guess what this next vehicle is? Let's go check it out. Let me give you some hints on what piece of machinery we're gonna learn about. Okay, it's a machine that loves to dig. Yeah, it typically has tracks. Yeah, has an arm and a boom and a bucket. Digs big holes, and it starts with the letter E. Can you guess it? Okay, here we go. Yeah! This excavator? Yeah, I was driving and holding this giant log. Wait, did you hear that? Yeah! An excavator! Wow! What a cool machine. This is actually a mini excavator. Yeah, they have small ones like this, and they have big ones like that. Wow! Hey, did you see I was sitting in the seat? Yeah, this is the cab of the excavator. Wow, there's so many controls in there. Oh, so cool. Hey, and look down here. Wow. Yeah, just like a bulldozer, this excavator has tracks. But a bulldozer's tracks are metal, and these, yeah, they're rubber, like tires. Wow, that is really cool. The cab can swing around. Yeah, did you see me swing around? Whoa, so cool. Oh, and up here, wow, it's hard to see because the bucket is right here, but this is the blade. Just like a bulldozer, this excavator has a blade to flatten things out and push things out of its way. And where this log is sitting, yeah, this is the bucket of the excavator. Wow, this bucket has some big teeth. Yeah! Whoa, whoa, and look at this. This kind of looks like a big tooth, but this is actually called a thumb. Wow, the thumb is used to grab things, just like this log. Whoa, and all this is the arm and the boom, which then can lift up, swing around, and use the bucket to dig. Yeah, I think I should hop on in and do some digging. Woohoo!
I'm an excavator, excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm a dirt separator. I'm an excavator. Got a big to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Whoa! Look at how big this hole is that I just dug. Wow, so cool. Hey, and look at this big pile of dirt. Whoa, I love dirt. Yeah, because it's fun to play around in, and it's the perfect home for some plants. Woohoo! Here we go. Here you go, plants. Woohoo! Wow. Excavators are awesome. Yeah! Wasn't that excavator so cool? I love getting to dig things up, and an excavator makes it so easy and fun. Whoa! That sure was fun learning about that excavator today, wasn't it? Yeah! You can dig some massive holes with the excavator. And since it doesn't have wheels and tires, it has tracks. Yeah, you never get stuck. Yeah! Well, this is the end of this video. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. See you again. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.